Imagine this mentally. You closed your eyes in silence, put something on your tongue. The first sense is a chilling one. The tongue shivered lightly. Before you could react, a lemony sourness was making the mouth watery. And there is a tinge of sweetness asking for more. You now unknowingly start moving it in the mouth. The soft cashew pulp is tempting you to push more. For the next few moments, you forget the world and get immersed in this bountiful that is not an ice cream, not a chocolate, not a fudge, hell, whatever. How does it matter? It's just godly. Here is the recipe for a chilled cashew lemon tart that can be eaten even by diabetics. We are not going to add sugar in this. We will not even use natural sweeteners in excess. If you are already overweight, not a problem. The healthy fats will let you be hungry only after a long time, so you will eat less of those high glycemic carbohydrate foods that make you fat and overweight. And this actually therefore helps you lose weight. Cashews half a cup soaked, half cup dry. Date syrup, if you prefer, you can have honey, 1/3 cup. Lemons, 3. Saffron, small pinch. Pre-soak the saffron in about 1 teaspoon of water or any nut milk for 5 to 10 minutes. Carefully remove the saffron stalks after you are able to extract its content into the water. Drop the soaked cashews and the dry ones into a high-speed blender. We use cooked ones to make the dish soft while include some dry ones to make it creamy. Add the date syrup, honey in my case. Squeeze juice from the lemons into the blender and also pour the saffron extract. Start the blender moving from slow to high speeds and process until there is a flour formation in the blender. Stop and pour the mixture into any molds of your convenience. In any case, or in my case, I used silicone molds that are very convenient for easy removal since food doesn't stick to it. Freeze for a few hours. When ready, serve and enjoy. These can be stored in freezer for several days. You can eat them as a dessert or anytime you feel like with zero guilt. We have added nothing but all good stuff in this. We have no artificial colors, no emulsifiers, no preservatives. Lemon is a very good immune booster. Cashews help you immensely from food cravings and do a ton of goodness. So feel free to enjoy. Just share with others too. Testing time, always exciting. Wow, wow, this is amazing. I really can't stop with one. I have to finish this and then finish the shoot and eat some more. It's very, very tasty. So, whatever I said, was it an exaggeration? No, I don't think so. I kept it outside, so it's not as cold as from the freezer directly. If you were tasting it, it will be even colder than what I'm tasting now. So cold, soft, definitely very, very creamy, sour, and a tinge of sweetness. Fantastic. See, these are the kinds of things I would like to eat in my raw food. Something that looks appealing, that are very, very delicious and are healthy. So I can eat them without any guilt, and they don't even cost much. There is no excise duty, there is no customs duty, there is no government taxes of any kind. So cheap to make, wonderful to enjoy. I think you should try. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.